Python is a popular high-level programming language that is easy to learn and versatile. It was first released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, which makes it a great language for beginners. Python can be used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and scientific computing. It has a large and active community, with many libraries and frameworks available to make programming easier and more efficient. One of the main advantages of Python is its syntax, which is easy to read and understand. Python code is typically shorter and more concise than other programming languages, which makes it faster to write and easier to maintain.